एक बार फिर से सभी हमारे टीचर मेंबर्स, जैसे कि आप हमारा फ्यूल है, आप हमारा ईंधन हो, आपके बिना हम अधूरे हैं। और बेसिकली जो आज मैं आपके सामने आया हूँ, काफी महत्वपूर्ण इम्पोर्टेंट कंटेंट पर बात करने के लिए आया हूँ कि हमें हमारे इस टीजीआरएल एकेडमी के जो 12 एक्सक्लूसिव कोर्सेस है, ये हमें क्यों पढ़ना है और व्हाट इज द रीजन, व्हाट इज द एक ठोस रीजन क्या है कि क्यों हम ये हमारे 12 एक्सक्लूसिव कोर्सेस में से कोई भी एक कोर्स का स्टडी क्यों करें। तो मैं आपको एक प्रॉपर रीजन देना चाहूंगा कि क्यों हमें ये पढ़ना है। तो सबसे पहले एक बार हम देख लेंगे कि हमारे ये 12 कोर्सेस आखिर है क्या। तो बेसिक ऑफ सोलर एनर्जी टेक्नीशियन और टेक्नोलॉजी, जो कि हमारे पास इसका एक सर्टिफिकेशन ऑप्शन भी है और साथ ही साथ इसका एक डिप्लोमा ऑप्शन भी है। उसके बाद में बेसिक ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल टेक्नोलॉजी, उसके बाद में बेसिक ऑफ ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी, ये भी एक 5 स्टार कोर्स है और हम सभी को पता है कि 5 स्टार कोर्स क्या है। जितने भी व्यूअर्स और हम बोल सकते हैं प्रेक्षक टीजीआरएल के साथ में जुड़े हैं, उन सभी को पता है कि 5 स्टार क्या है। तो 5 स्टार एक ऐसा रेटिंग है जो कि जो भी एस्पिरेंट एनरोल करना चाहेगा खुद को इनमें से कोई भी एक कोर्स के अंदर, तो उस स्टूडेंट का जो प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड है इन मैथमेटिक्स, ये पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट दैट इज द मैथमेटिक्स फर्स्ट क्लास रहना चाहिए, ये रिक्वायरमेंट है इन 5 स्टार ग्रुप की। सो हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे थर्ड कोर्स की ओर, दैट इज द बेसिक ऑफ ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी। ये हो गया हमारा ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी। उसके बाद में बेसिक ऑफ रोबोटिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी, जो कि एक प्रीमियम सेक्टर कोर्स है बिकॉज ऑफ एज वी नो, सपोज इफ आई कंसिडर द इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन reaches hike in our 21st century, then definitely we need to automate our operation at industrial level, or we can say at commercial level. So that's why our robotics automation is too much important for in our state, or we can say for in our nation. So that's why हमें रोबोटिक्स पढ़ने की बहुत जरूरत है। So हमारा नेक्स्ट कोर्स की ओर बढ़ते हैं हम, बेसिक ऑफ स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी। एज वी नो कि ये जो रिवॉल्यूशन हो रहा है in the sector of communication, or we can say in the sector of internet, the base for this technology, it's nothing but the space. So with the help of space satellite, we can communicate to each other. So that's why space technology is too much factor for the any growth of society. So that's why space technology is important course in our view, or we can say in a TGRL view. So again, this is a 5-star course offered by the TGRL in association with Selfie Multipurpose Institute, situated in Amravati city in Maharashtra state. So right now we are going to move on the 6th number course, that is the Nation Defense Technology. So what is Nation Defense Technology? In this technology we are studying basic concept for the nation protection, or we can say nation defense system. So this is also very valuable course as per our nation. So again TGRL offer no any fees for this course. This course is 100% free for any aspirant, including non-Indians also. So any non-Indians, or we can say Indians, can take admission for this basic of nation defense technology particular course. And we are going to move in the next course, that is basic of nuclear energy technology. as we know, nuclear power is the premium power in the sector of energy. So, as we know, nuclear energy have its own advantage. So that's why TGRL always support to the nuclear energy, so that we can contribute in our society for the less emission of pollution. So definitely with the help of nuclear energy we can minimize the level of pollution. We can say direct pollution, not indirect pollution. Okay, we are going to move on the next course, that is the basic of aeronautical engineering. As we know, world changes in a very faster rate. So that's why if you need to growth, then we need to increase our speed of transportation. So aeronautical is the example for the speed of transportation. As we can realize, if I take a boat from the Bharat, or we can say India, for the New York City, then I think so if I travel via the boat, or we can say via water, then definitely I cannot reach the New York City within a single week also. I need minimum 2 or 3 weeks for the reaching this destination. And suppose if I travel via the air, definitely I can reach New York City within a 24 hours. So this is the change due to our aeronautical industry. So that is the important course. We should study this course for the, we can say upcoming industry, or we can say valuable industry in the field of transportation. So again, 9th number course is basic of heavy industry technology. So as we know, the 71% water present on the earth. So that's why, as we know, the major transportation in the world is the ship. As we know, lots of cargo, lots of machinery, lots of fuel transport with the help of ship. And as we know, basic of heavy industry technology, the major role for this course is to learn the heavy machineries, or we can say heavy equipment, including ship, or we can say mega structure. So these are the advantage of studying in the field of basic of heavy industry technology certification course, as well as diploma course offered by the TGRL Academy in association with Selfie Multipurpose Institute, Amravati, situated in Maharashtra state. Right now we are going to move in a 10th course, that is the basic of electric machine and switchgear technology. This is also premium course offered by the TGRL, because as we know, lots of automation, because of what? Because due to motor automation. So that's why we need to focus on the particular technology, or we can say particular medium, which is responsible for our revolutionary growth, or we can say revolutionary progress in the field of automation, in the field of energy, in the field of, we can say, industrial growth. So right now we are going to move on the 11th number of course, that is the basic of industrial garment sewing machine operator. So this is also any premium course offered by the TGRL. So as we know, अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूं, अन्न वस्त्र निवारा, तो देखिए वस्त्र एक फंडामेंटल नीड है फॉर एनी ह्यूमन. सो दैट्स व्हाई you can learn the sewing machine industrial grade operatorship, so that you can get easily qualityful job in the sector of textile industry. So this is any again premium course as per our employment issue. in our particular India, or we can say any state across the India. So that's why we are designing such a kind of courses. This course can generate the practical employment for our youth, or we can say for our society, for your community. So again, the last course offered by the TJRL is, if you ask me, Nitin sir, what is your favorite course across these 12 exclusive courses? Then always Nitin sir told you my visionary course is, that is the basic of brushless direct current motor manufacturing methodology technology. So why Nitin sir this course is your favorite course? Because of, as we know, if I consider next 30 to 40 years, then definitely our transportation turn the way from the road to air. From the road to air, suppose consider next 50 years, then we can imagine definitely every house, or we can say every apartment have their own e-vehicle, we can say pad, so that his vehicle can be take off vertically and land as well vertically on this helipad, we can say vehicle pad. So these are the future from up to, we can say, in the next 50 years. So that's why this technology play very important role for our changing of whole universe, or we can say whole earth. So that is our visionary course designed by the TJR in association with Selfie Multipurpose Institute. So right now, as we know, here some important thing is that 100% job placement for serious student. Okay, so definitely TJRL dedicated for the technological revolution as well as the society growth. So that's why we are dedicated for the placement also for those students who are too much serious for their, we can say, for their future. So those person can be take their job in prestigious companies, or we can say organization situated across the nation, or we can say another nation also. Okay, all right. So you can visit us above PNB Dreamsland Business Park, Nagpur Highway Road, Amravati. This is our unauthorized temporary address. If you meet on the authorized address, then you can note this address. That is the Manohar House, Palash Lane, Gadge-Nagar, Amravati, Maharashtra State, India. So this is our authorized address. So definitely you can visit here, and you can call us on this contact number that is the given. And right now we are going to stop here, and I hope you understand this content for you. Right now we are going to stop here. Keep spreading this content across your friends, families, or we can say neighbor or relatives. And one important thing is that you should take these 12 exclusive courses seriously, so that you can achieve your dream destination in your future. Like lots of industry waiting for you for the qualityful employment, and definitely TJRL support you 100%, and TJRL is fully dedicated for dreaming your job, or we can say dreaming your achievement. So right now we are going to stop here. Thanks a lot.